Hello everyone, welcome to my next video. In this video, we are going to study about data types in mysql. First we understand what are data types. Data types are means to identify the type of data and associated operation for handling it. MySQL uses many different data types divided into three categories. That is numeric data type, date and time data type and string data type. First we know about what is numeric data type. Numeric data type is used for storing integers or numbers. It is categorized into these three forms, that is int or integer, small int and float. Int and small int are used for storing integers or numbers. Int can store integers up to 11 digits and small int can store integer up to 5 digits. Float data type. Float data type is used for storing decimal values. It stores total 10 digits including 2 digits for decimal. Next one is date and time data type. It can store the date and time in various formats. It includes date data type, time data type and date and time data type. Date data type is used for storing date in the format year, month and day. Time is used for storing time in the format hour, minute, second. Date and date time data type. Date time data type is used for storing date as well as time also in the format year, month, day, hour, minute, second. The next data type is string data type. It is used for storing string. String is the sequence of character that is enclosed in single quotes in MySQL and in single quote and in double quotes in number of programming languages. String data type contains mainly two different data types, that is char and varchar. Char is used for storing fixed length string and varchar is used for storing string of variable length. The syntax of char data type is char including the n number of bytes in the bracket. It means it can store n number of bytes or n number of characters. And varchar, in varchar it is used for variable length string and n denotes the number of character or number of bytes storing in it. Now what is the difference between the char and varchar data type? First difference is that char is used for fixed length string and varchar is used for variable length string. Char means that all values stored in that column have length of n bytes. If a value is shorter than this length n, then blanks are added, but the size of value remains n byte. Suppose we declare this name variable as char data type that can store 7 characters. If we make use only 5 spaces, then 2 spaces are left blank. Then in char data type, when we display this variable name, then it will display the character including the white space also. In varchar is a variable length string. Varchar means that the maximum size a value in this column can have of n bytes. Each value that is stored in this column stores exactly as you specify it. That is, no blanks are added. If the length is shorter than maximum length n. However, if you exceed the maximum length n, then an error message is displayed. Suppose we declare name variable as varchar type that can store 7 characters. And if we store India, that is a 5 character in name variable. Then when we display the name, then it will display only India, and these blank spaces are not displayed in varchar data type. But it is not in the case of char data type. In char data type, when we display India, it also includes the blank spaces in the last. I hope you all understand the matter very well. That's all for our day. Stay with us for our next video. Thank you.